So I think I've got my ideal Glock setup right here. And let me know if yours is different, just in case there's something I don't know about. But what we have right here is the Glock 19X frame with the Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS slide. And of course, on top of that, we have an Aimpoint Acro P2 with a Mariglow suppressor height blacked out sights, the Surefire XR1 weapon light you see there on the front, and everything else is factory internal. There's nothing aftermarket or anything like that. This gun's been reliable, it's good to go, it's easy to shoot. I carry it almost everywhere I go. I mean, this is how mine's set up. This is what I'm comfortable with. What's yours like?